probability generating function of Sn theorem. So Sn is the sum of the random number of random variables. S capital N equal to x1 plus x2 plus up to plus xn. x1 is also a random variable, x2 is also a random variable, that sum is also a random variable. That's why Sn equal to sum of the random number of random variables. So let theorem statement, let xi I equal to 1 to up to be identically independent distributed random variables with distribution probability of for xi equal to k equal to pk. So probability of xi equal to k, this one is distribution. This distribution may be binomial, Poisson, normal. Okay, so this xi is, suppose this distribution is named as binomial, this xi is called binomial random variable. So this distribution, this value is stored to pk, some notation, and probability generating function of xi equal to function of x. So probability generating function, therefore here p, capital P of s equal to power series form summation of k equal to 0 to infinity pk s power k. Pk denotes this distribution, probability of xi equal to k pk s power k. This one is power series form for I equal to 1 to, therefore probability generating function of xi equal to p of s, this power series form. Let Sn equal to x1 capital X1 plus capital X2 plus up to capital Xn, where n is the random variable independent of the xi. So n is also random variable, xi is also random variable, xi is independent of n. So here there are two random variables, one is xi and another one is n. Let the distribution, random variable means you have one distribution, let the distribution of n be given by probability R of capital N equal to n. So here we capital N equal to small n. So the small n, this one is subscript of some number, subscript of some name g of n, and probability generating function of n equal to g of s. So probability generating means function of s. So this n random variable, that function is named as g of s equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity gn s power n. Here the subscript n, therefore summation n varies from 0 to infinity, the subscript is also n, the superscript is also n. So this distribution is k, the summation k varies from 0 to infinity, the subscript is also k, that superscript is also k. So here there are two random variables, one is xi random variable and another one is n random variable. Then the probability generating function of Sn equal to h of s is given by the compound function g of p of s. That is h of s equal to summation of j equal to infinity probability of r of Sn equal to j sj equal to g of p of s. So this theorem, there are two random variables, one is xi and another one is n. So this compound function, that two variable, x1 is one variable, n is another variable, that compound function is stored to s capital N. This s capital N probability generating function. Probability generating function means some function of x. That function is named as h of s equal to prove g of p of s. P of s is probability generating function of the random variable xi, and g is the probability generating function of that n. Suppose here two random variables combined, then compound function is h of s. This theorem is probability generating function of Sn. So here proof part, given p of s be the probability generating function of xi and g of s be the probability generating function of n, our claim is h of s equal to g into p of s. So here since n is a random variable that can assume values 0, 1, 2, etc. See, consider the event, this Sn equal to j, this one is event. So in front of you write probability means this event, the chance of this event. Consider the event Sn equal to j. This event will happen the following mutually exclusive ways. Suppose n equal to 0, no event. So n equal to 0, s naught equal to x naught equal to 0. X naught here already we defined one example, that is death. That is know that initially we assume know that. x not no depth, s not equal to x not equal to 0, n equal to 1, that is s1 equal to x naught plus x1, n equal to 2, s2 equal to up to 2, that is x naught plus x1 plus x2, n capital N equal to small n, this Sn equal to x1 plus x2 plus x2 plus up to xn, so that this event Sn equal to j may occur n equal to capital N equal to n and Sn equal to x0, x1, xn equal to, here capital N equal to small n, therefore S of small n, this answer is equal to j. So this one is equation 1. To meet the situation n equal to 0, let us define what is x0, that is first accident, that is no initially 0, that is s0 equal to s0 equal to 0, so that x0 plus, x0 is 0, that's why we insert that x0, x0 plus x0 plus x1 plus x2 plus up to plus xn equal to sn, sn equal to sn. So consider the event Sn equal to j, that chance P, that is probability of Sn equal to j is denoted by h of j. So h of j. Therefore, this event summation of Sn equal to 0, already previous page, you put n equal to 0, n equal to 1 up to n equal to n and Sn equal to j. Therefore, that total is, this total is this probability P of or S of n equal to 0, that chance may be n equal to 0, Sn equal to g, Sn equal to n equal to 0, s naught equal to x naught, n equal to 1, then s1 equal to x naught plus x1, like that. That total is summation of n equal to 0 to infinity. These two events are Sn is independent from n, therefore summation of n equal to 0 to infinity, probability R of capital N equal to n into probability of Sn equal to j. So by properties of independent, probability of n equal to n, Sn equal to j can be written as probability of n equal to n into probability of Sn equal to j. So probability of n equal to n, our statement part is g of n. Our statement is gn, g subscript n. Therefore, h of j equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity gn, probability of Sn equal to j, equation number 2. h of s equal to, what is h of s? That is probability generating function of Sn. This one is in statement. So probability generating function, that definition is summation of n equal to 0 to infinity, that distribution hj and sj. What is hj? Hj is that distribution, probability R of Sn equal to j, sj. Using equation 2, probability R of Sn equal to j is replaced by this term. So here we substitute this. After that, interchanging the sum, no problem. So this part is only j varies from 0 to infinity. Probability R of Sn equal to j s power j into Cn. So probability generating function of, okay, this one is marked as equation 3. So to find probability generating function of S of capital N, first to find a probability generating function of S of small n. So the S of small n, probability generating means one summation, one distribution, one power of S. Therefore, this part is stored to probability generating function of Sn. Since here random variable is Sn. So suppose this example here random variable is S capital N. Here random S capital N. This one is probability generating function of Sn. This one is S small n. Therefore, this one is probability generating function of Sn. So probability generating function of Sn equal to probability generating function of Sn is x1 plus x2 plus up to plus xn. So we know that probability generating function of x1 plus x2 equal to, நம்ம ஏற்கனவே prove பண்ணிருக்கோம், probability generating function of x1, probability generating function of x2. Our statement part, probability generating function of xi is ps. Therefore, x1 is also ps, x2 is also ps, up to xn is also ps. Therefore, this power is, here there are n terms, therefore p of s power n. Therefore, h of s equal to, therefore equation number 3, h of s equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity, summation of j equal to 0 to infinity, Sn equal to j, s power j into Cn. So this term is named as equation number 4, probability generating function of Sn. So equation 5 says probability generating function of Sn equal to p of s power n gn. What is p of s? So that is rearranging this. This one is gn t power n, where t equal to p of s. Therefore, this one is summation distribution Tn, therefore g of t. So here t, s in the place of t, therefore g equal to p of s. Hence p of s the probability density function of xi, g of s be the probability density function of Sn, then h of s equal to g into p of s. This one is probability density function of Sn theorem.